Hello, my name is Mark Fennell, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the pipeline system for natural gas. This information and more is in my book, Natural Gas Technologies Explained Simply. Now, natural gas is methane, a very simple molecule. However, when we find the methane, it is usually in wells which contain oil, gasoline, kerosene, sulfur compounds, dirt, and any number of things. So those need to be refined and then shipped to their final destination. Also, the pipelines, there are literally thousands of pipelines of different size throughout the United States. A lot of them are under the roadways, and of course many of them are directly into your homes. So for those reasons, it's very good to have a general overview of the pipeline system. Now, there are three basic pipeline systems for natural gas. There's the gathering system, the transmission system, and the distribution system. The gathering system takes the raw material from the wells, ships it over to the refineries. Basically, everything that's in that well, natural gas, kerosene, diesel, dirt, all that. Gathering system sends that to the refineries. The refineries do their thing, they separate all the chemicals. Methane is what's left. Then it's sent through the distribution system. And the distribution system goes to two locations. The first location is to the natural gas power plants. They will use the natural gas to burn, to create electricity. Specifically, they burn the natural gas, create steam. Steam operates the turbines. Turbines create the electricity, and the electricity goes to your homes. The other path of the transmission pipeline is to a local distribution center. And essentially, these are substations for natural gas. They're just outside the city limits, and they will deliver the natural gas to the homes. So the transmission system goes, one, to the natural gas power plants, and two, to the local distribution centers. The third pipeline system is the distribution pipelines. Those go from the local center outside of town, under the streets, and finally into the homes and buildings. When you turn on your stove for your gas, that comes from the distribution pipeline. But remember, when you turn on your electricity, that comes through a power line that comes from the natural gas power plant. So again, there are three basic pipeline systems: gathering, transmission, and distribution. Gathering takes the raw material to the refinery. Distribution takes it to the outer points of the city. Distribution takes it into the deep inside. The last thing I want you to know is about the corrosion factor. Corrosion is very important for natural gas pipelines because leaks can send methane into the air, and therefore they could start fires. Therefore, what we need to do is when you're monitoring any pipeline system in your area, if you're responsible for oversight, make sure that those pipelines have coatings, 100% coatings around, so that they are never corroded, never rusted, and never leak. And that is an overview of the pipeline system. There's much, much more details in this book for any engineers or municipal leaders who want to know more about them. Thank you.